Welcome to CMRL Train Maintenance Depot. The Chennai Metro Rail has a world-class train maintenance depot at Coimbatore with ballast-less tracks of 15 kilometers. It covers an area of 260,000 square meters and caters to 42 trains. A test track of length 800 meters is used to test train after major repairs up to a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. World-class Metropolis model trains from Alstom Transport are utilized by Chennai Metro Rail for this project. Each and every train is taken care of by trained professionals to maintain the trains to international standards. All maintenance activities that are required to keep the trains fit for a service life of 30 years is undertaken by this depot. It includes preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance and overhauling. Preventive maintenance is carried out on monthly, quarterly, half-yearly and annual basis. Corrective maintenance activities are performed on trains having service failures. The axle bearing is the critical part of the train, whose temperature is monitored through a sophisticated hot axle box detector for the first time in India. The temperatures of each and every axle bearing passing through the detector is scanned and logged. Any abnormalities in bearings is alerted by the system. The depot also uses a remote diagnostic system for the first time in India to continuously monitor the healthiness of trains that are in passenger service remotely from the depot. Every 72 hours, once, complete train has to be inspected and train functionality checked to ensure the healthiness of trains to be sent to the mainline service. Train maintenance activity starts immediately once the train is berthed in the epoxy float inspection bay. Detailed safety protocol is followed both in overhead catenary system and also in trains to ensure safe working environment during maintenance. The trains are capable of storing various event logs and failure logs of all subsystems. Such failure logs are downloaded by the maintenance team to understand the actual condition of failure to perform related maintenance actions. All the subsystems are inspected as per the predefined maintenance procedures. A handheld laser scanner is used to scan the wheel profile. Any imperfections in the profile is alerted by the device, which will be corrected using underfloor wheel lathe. The air conditioner filters are replaced regularly to ensure clean air for passengers. Chemical fogging is adopted periodically after opening of all internal panels in the train to prevent growth of algae and presence of insects. Heavy repairs and overhauling of trains are undertaken in workshop lines, which has a provision of lifeline system which ensures the safety of staff working on the roof. The train battery is thoroughly inspected and failed cells are replaced. The battery system is then topped up with electrolyte using a special apparatus. To ensure safety of passengers, primary suspension of the train is periodically inspected and stiffness of springs is corrected if required. After overhauling of bogies, they are leveled for ultimate performance using static bogie testing machine. The equipment ensures all wheels of bogies are equally loaded to ensure safe and comfortable ride to the passengers. our most vital component that bears the complete weight of the trains. Axles are checked for internal defects using ultrasonic flaw detector. Modern and sophisticated tools and equipments are used to deliver high-quality maintenance. The maintenance staff is rigorously trained in-house within India and several train maintenance depots abroad to attain the best industry practices. Before offering the trains to the public service, a detailed functionality test is performed to ensure all safety and comfort systems are 100% functioning. After completion of maintenance activities, the trains are sent to automatic train wash plant. The state-of-the-art wash plant has front wash, rear wash and lateral wash features. Eco-friendly detergents are used and the water used during cleaning is recycled. The train is finally doused with demineralized water to prevent scales and corrosion. Mechanized cleaning is adopted for internal floor cleaning using eco-friendly chemicals.